Welcome back. We're on our way to our staycation to Atlantis. This hotel is truly the definition of luxury. Everything in the hotel is just so beautiful and cohesive. After checking in, we made our way to the water park, which is Aquaventure. The water park was so much fun. We went on all the rides and it was great. Okay, maybe all of us didn't enjoy. Some of us looked like we were in distress but pretended to have fun. The water park connected to the hotel's private beach. Splashers Lagoon is a must go. It's so relaxing and the temperature of the water is a little bit warmer than the other rides, and it's just a very relaxing place to chill after a long day at the water park. This is the view from the world's tallest slide. You get the view of the whole water park and it was really nice. We were done with our day at the water park and headed back to the hotel. This is the view from my parents' room. They had such a nice view. This is what their view looked like at night. It was fully lit up. Now for our room tour. I'll start off with this little entryway snack / coffee corner where they provided us with water and everything we needed. Then on to the luxury bathroom. This was the room. It was very cozy, very nice, had everything we wanted in it. During check-in, they had asked us our purpose of visit, and I had mentioned it was my birthday, and the team was so sweet and gave me a cake and a card, and I really appreciate it. So thank you to the Atlantis team.
Saffron! Stop! Let me hide.
Then we headed out for my birthday dinner. We came to Din Tai Fung, I think that's how you say it, and ordered a bunch of dishes, which was amazing. Orange juice with boba was actually really nice. Then we were back at the hotel and just walked around, and we'll show you around the hotel a bit. Arabian Terrace was one of their restaurants, and they had outdoor terrace seating, and they had a really nice ambience. Every detail of the hotel was so beautiful. I mean, come on, look at the ceiling. They had this bowling center come arcade here. We also found somebody else's birthday setup, so took that as a perfect opportunity to pose in front of it. Finally, we explored the outdoors, and it was just fully lit up and very beautiful. This was the view from our room. It was not as nice as the one from my parents, but still very beautiful. And that's a wrap from day one. I had an amazing birthday, and good night. Next day we had breakfast at Saffron. The options for breakfast here are endless. It was such a good breakfast. Round 2. Go, go.
ഇതൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾ സ്ഥിരം ചെയ്യുന്ന മരത്തുമ്മലൊക്കെ.
Then we went on a little tour of the Lost Chambers. Look at that. What is that? Me trying to take endless pictures here, and my mom here trying to grab dinner. We then just spent the rest of the day by the pool before we had to leave.